TC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, as expected, more showers moving through Acadiana. We'll get to that in just a bit. A lot of folks interested in whether we're going to see what is usually the best meteor shower of the year, the Geminid meteor shower, and it's a little iffy. We got clouds right now and showers, but hopefully they clear out in time. And I do have the model data pasted on the earth there. You see below in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, and it shows the clouds moving out and some more moving in. Prime time that we want to watch this is between midnight and about 3 a.m. So best weather viewing for Acadiana tonight, we're going to say it's still about 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning based on the forecast models and current trends. And what you'll be looking for is streaking meteors through the skies. They originate in the constellation Gemini, which is just to the left of Orion. On Orion, you look for the belt. There are 3 stars in a row, not hard to see, but we've had low clouds out there, so haven't been able to see much stars going on tonight. And anyway, just look up overhead, get away from the city lights if you can, let your eyes adjust for 10 to 15 minutes in the dark, and I would bet you if the skies are clear, you'll be able to see a couple of shooting stars out there. Make sure you have your wishes ready to go. We'll show you more close-in model guidance coming up in just a bit. We're all being dominated by this upper low. We had one that came through this morning and weakened. That's what brought our rain. Anywhere between an inch to an inch and a half, 2 inches in spots across southwest Louisiana. Most folks, though, got a ½ inch or less. But this upper low is going to dominate our weather pattern through tomorrow, bringing clouds back into the region. And during the course of the day today, it was even producing some winter weather across the Permian Basin, across Texas. We're not going to see that, unfortunately, but we are seeing showers beginning to move in that were in the Gulf of Mexico earlier today. They're moving into Acadiana as we speak, and you can see even some cloud-to-ground lightning showing up with this. So some rain and some quick, heavy downpours, and maybe even a rumble of thunder over the next hour or two. This activity moves generally from the southwest to the northeast, and you can see some of the heavier action right now just east of the Forked Island area, Abbeville, and then activity moving into western Lafayette Parish, and it's going to be raining probably before the newscast is done if you're viewing us here in Lafayette. So showers moving on in. You can see some of those showers right now. Some heavy downpours just south of the Doosan area up by Cankton, and you can see Abbeville, some heavy downpours moving in as we speak right now. Here's our predictive radar, keeping the showers through 10:30, and then by 11 o'clock moving into St. Landry, Upper St. Martin, and Iberia parishes, and then going on its merry way. Then the question is, are we going to see clearing? Well, it's not showing it over by Lafayette. This is at 3:30 in the morning, but some portions of Acadiana may get to see some stars, especially if that west-southwest wind kicks in early enough and kicks out some of those lower level clouds. Then going into tomorrow, plenty of clouds and some showers associated with that large upper level gyre, that large stacked low pressure system that'll be up by Shreveport later on tonight. You can see again maybe some breaks in the clouds. Our futurecast model a little bit more optimistic, so no promises on the meteor shower, but we will promise you more clouds for sure going into tomorrow. Cooler temperatures as well, with breezy west to southwest winds. Temperatures topping out around lunchtime right in the mid-50s, and that's where they're going to stay. We got up to 71 today, so a big difference tomorrow, and the clouds will stick around as we head into Saturday, but hopefully eroding by late Saturday afternoon. But I think we're going to have to wait on better sunshine as we go into Sunday. So temperature-wise tonight, mid to upper 40s, most spots closer to the lower 50s along the coast. Then tomorrow, temperatures don't change a whole lot, low to mid 50s throughout the day, and that may be generous, but a southwest wind gives us a Gulf influence, so not as cool as I thought it might have been going back to yesterday. Back down into the upper 40s tomorrow night through Saturday morning with a little bit of a wind chill as well, and then upper 50s for Saturday afternoon. Notice the sun, though, coming out western Louisiana, but maybe not for Acadiana. So scattered showers early, rain chances 40 to 50% next few hours, then rain chances down to 10 to 20% for the rest of the night, turning breezy and cooler late. And then for tomorrow, 55 the high with mostly cloudy skies, a few showers out there, or maybe even some misty drizzles mixed in, but rain chances not too terribly high. And then as we head through the weekend, a fair bit of clouds Saturday, a little bit more sun Sunday, and clouds back on Monday. Plenty of in and out cloud cover. Next chance of rain, not a big one, coming in next Wednesday night, and temperatures look nice, and the following weekend looking pretty good as well, Jim.
I'd say so. Thanks, Rob.